Hey guys, so in this video we will learn some basic English and with the native English. So let's start the video. So the first word is I don't want it. I don't want it. So native English will be I'm good. I'm good. You don't need to say I don't want it, but you have to say I'm good. And second, be careful. Be careful. And the native English will be watch out. Hey, be careful. There is something out there. Hey, watch out. Someone is out there. 3. I'm listening. I'm listening. So you can say in native English, I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So you can say, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. 4. Go away. Go away. So you have to say in native English, get out. Just get out, man. Just get out from here. And 5, don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. So you have to say in native English, don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous. 6, that's interesting. That's interesting. So you have to say, that's cool. That's cool, man. It's boring. It's boring. So you have to say, it's dull. It's dull. So 8, you first. So suppose you are coming in a queue and standing somewhere, and someone is just beside you, or like you are saying to him something that I will go after you. So you like in basic English, you first, but in native English you can just say after you, after you. And 9, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. So in native English, you have to say whatever, whatever. Then let's meet. Let's meet. So you can say let's catch up. Let's catch up tonight. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Let's meet tonight. Let's catch up tonight. And the last 11, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. So thank you. Follow for more video like this.